RPC 8842, go ahead.
8842 now, 65 miles north east of Manila, proceeding to Mundi, estimate 472 Mundi for Clark.
Confirm RPC 8842, you're coming in unreadable. Can you check your radio and seconds?
Okay. About 30 meters from here, sir. Okay, let's go.
Jomalig traffic, this is RPC 8842. Any traffic in base and final, please advise.
Okay, negative traffic.
Negative traffic lining up runway 05 for takeoff.
Transponder on short field and soft field. Right there, center clear, left there. Heels on the floor, turning left. Obtaining center line.
Move forward ka para after na. Sabihan ko pag nalagpasan na.
Obtaining center line and reducing power. Rudder level, brake supply. Brake supply. Adding power, full power.
Huwag muna, move forward ka muna daw. Okay. My controls.
Your controls?
Yeah. Here? Yield back. That white one, sir. Just pass the white one. Okay.
Clear.
Clear. Okay, sir, we're good. Your controls. Yield back, full power.
Back pressure, full power. Maintaining center line.
Okay, hold this here.
RPM 3, toilet pressure, temper
Right rudder.
Medium,
Right rudder. Okay, that's the hump.
50, 55, left rudder, slide
Pitch down.
60, pitch down. 70, standby, 75.
Jomalig traffic on RPC 8842 airport. Upwind climbing to 3,000 feet will make a spiral climb at upwind. Any traffic in the area, please be advised.
Pitch down, trim down, 75.
Okay.
Climb here, Capt.
Yeah.
To the left or right?
To the right.
There, center clear right here. Jomalig advice to RPC 8842 approximately 1 mile east of station. Passing 700 feet next to 3,000 feet. We're taking a spiral climb to 3,000. Leading to Omni car. Any traffic in the area, please be advised.
Pending reback and 75. Landing lights.
Okay.
Lights off.
After that, engine.
Lamps, engine gauges, green, mixture, rich below 3,000. Extending to 86.
Right and turn right already. The spiral climb over the station.
Over the station.
That's it, level wings. continue climbing on that side.
Okay, Cap. Pitch down 75. Anong island yun? Yung next.
Ayun next, walang pangalan eh. Pero,
It's on the chart.
Patnanongan.
Patanokan?
Yes. Patnanongan Island.
Traffic advisory RPC 1842, departed Jomalig now 1 mile north of the station. Passing 1,800 feet, climbing 3,000. Proceeding to Patnanokan Island, destination Omni Clark. Any traffic in the area, please get right.
Yeah.
Manila approach RPC 1842, good afternoon.
Set 8,000 Cebu 888.
Request Soliven estimate 788 traffic southwest bound 737, enter to West Long Range 22 Mach 10,000 0706, service terminated, landing level.
Right calling.
Knock Long Range 20 Mach 115 descending.
Alert is a sonar. Port J6117, good afternoon, passing 3,000.
J6117, good afternoon, radar contact, climb level 130, connecting 1.
130, connecting 1, Blue J6117. Put at 943, 9,000.
943 contact, 1211 for lower delay.
1211. Manila approachable 380, maintaining level 180, stopping 4025.
Pitch down 7,000.
Okay, let me try
Right
something.
turn right, connect Manila, this
Acoustic power 24.
Singapore 878, radar contact, landing level 390, request estimate northeast.
Need one turn. Trim for 7,000.
Singapore 878, after Avla, proceed direct for this report Abim altitude, and confirm 81 flight level 410.
Beginning it, don't worry. Coming alive. Yes.
Singapore 878, roger, maintain level 3990.
Okay. Back pressure, trim 0 VSI.
Okay, let's try calling them.
Veer to the left.
Wait.
Manila 633, reverse service terminated, landing. Contact now Manila Radio, incliner 42.
Pitch down 7,000. Trim down 7,000.
Manila Control, RPC 8842.
It's approacher.
Manila Control.
Power on it.
Contact 127, request Soliven estimate normal.
Manila approach, RPC 8842.
RPC 8842, go ahead.
8842 now 65 miles north east of Manila, proceeding to Mundi, estimate 472 Mundi for Clark.
Confirm RPC 8842, you're coming in unreadable. Can you check your radio and target?
Report.
8842 approximately, proceeding to Mundi 47 estimate. Request for Tango Romeo 27 for Clark.
Unable to radio, can you check your radio and target? Station calling.
8842, proceeding to Mundi, estimate 47. Request for Tango Romeo 27, proceeding to Clark. Mike 2, confirm.
Heading 3152794.
Left turn 280, deflected to the left. Turning left. Wings level, resynchronize setting indicator.
Okay, yeah, 4 north. Okay.
783, heading 170, 7000.
Cebu 1783, radar contact, verify heading.
And heading 170, 783.
Cebu 783,
Power.
revise, fly heading 14.
Report, base turn.
8842 base turn 02 right.
8842, report establish, ILS 02 right.
Port established, ILS 02 right, 8842.
Continue right turn, half standard 290. Maintaining 3,000. Climb up. We have flaps now, ma'am. 290 wings level.
Check. Needle is alive.
Needle is alive.
8. Should be on 022. Both should be set to 022, diba? What happened? Okay, stand by. Needle movement.
Back pressure slightly for 3,000.
Okay, needle is alive. Turn to 337.
337.
Half standard.
Standard rate. Maintaining 3,000. Follow center, half standard, 3,000. Power 23.
Alright, 9051 for higher, contact Manila approach, 124
Continue turn, standby wings level. Wings.
Okay.
Level.
Power 22. 21. 22, yeah. That's fine. White arc, flap stand.
2-1, white arc. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maintain 3,000.
That's it.
Limp. 4, straight and level.
Power 22.
Power 22.
Maintain your altitude.
Maintain 3,000.
There you go. Localizer alive.
Localizer live. Standard 3. 022. All center. Standard.
Reduce power to 1900. Reduce power 1900. Establish on the ILS 8 miles.
8842, establish on the ILS 8 miles.
Left turn, yes sir.
Contact tower 118.7.
Contact tower 118.7. Clark Tower, RPC 8842, establish on the ILS 7 miles. For touch and go to Omni.
022. Yes, Cap, turning right.
8842, wind 13 degrees, 10 knots, runway 02 right, clear touch and go.
02.
Clear touch and go, 8842.
Land the plane. One. I told you maintain the VSI, diba? Power 1700.
RP dot.
Power the plane, okay? Check 500. Confirm? Okay. Then next.
Exit to the right, maintaining 030.
Good.
Fixture full reach, flaps on 10, landing clearance obtained, landing lights on. Approach 720 and descent altitude.
Making a 1
1,000 above.
request for landing instruction to
485.
Release power.
Reducing power, pitch down, pitch. Reducing power, pitching down. Pitching down, reducing power.
Reduce power. Pitch down. Reduce power. Pitch down. 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 Correct to the right. 030.
Forward up there, channel
030.
channel shining the pattern.
500 feet. Power. Hold. There you go.
030. Pitching down, reducing power.
Move to the north to
030.
100 above. Look outside.
90 low.
48 power. Hold pitch. Pitch up.
proceed inbound.
Pitch up.
That's
There you
negative. We're just moving a little further to the north.
Pitch up. Pitch up. Pitch up.
Call you in about 10 minutes.
Get the two right.
Yeah, November 4th,
Obtaining two right. Stand by.
There you go.
Roger, 5 by kilo. Flag tower, ADC 5
There you go. Two right. Reduce
Two
power.
right, reducing power.
For 180 side approach.
Reduce power. 1700. Pitch down.
105.
There you go.
Final, turn control.
1700.
Calling last day again.
1700.
Landing 17.
To maintain 50.
That's over na pass.
Dahil na ko.
One
Idle.
for inbound.
Reducing power, idle.
105 report magana ang
Idle.
Level off early. To slow the plane. Pitch up more.
Bring the right.
Pitch up. Hold here. Pitch up more.
105 negative, no traffic, 31.
Hold here.
Okay.
Absent. Full power.
35 establish a height in mid downwind.
Right rudder.
For 180 side approach.
Rotate.
35 report.
Rotate. Left.
Soliven landed, 85 commencing 1.
Handbrakes. Taps.
8842, airborne request for 02 Omni.
8842, advise on making a right turn for Omni pattern.
Confirm Cockpit clear.
Confirm cleared for right turn for Omni pattern, 8842.
42, affirm sir, and leading traffic commencing 180 side approach.
Traffic commencing 180 side approach. Turning right, 8842.
Or high, see that? Relax something to look at the airspeed. Power, idle.
Idle.
You will make it, idle it, just idle it. You make it,
Beat goal.
have faith. Just hold. There, see that?
Power, RBC 101, east of construction,
Still high though.
hopefully no traffic
Brake right now.
0518
Back pressure.
and the report.
Hold. Back pressure.
RBC 105.
And clear.
Tower, 86
Idle brakes. Arms up.
6-3, report
Brakes.
airport.
Brakes. Release. Brakes. Release. Brakes. Back pressure. Release.
Pampanga,
Brakes.
proceeding to Candaba.
Release.
Within Denmark.
Brakes.
Full brakes.
Left clear. Center clear. Right clear. Turning right.
After good landing.
Extra rich. And by 1200. Landing lights. Probe lights.
Keep going, cross the line. You're not yet clear of the run. Keep going.
Back pressure. Adding power.